This is the KEMIMOTO luggage bag. Now, of course, you can use this bag to load stuff for your road trips or camping trips. But I'm going to do something a little bit more fun right now and take a look at this. KEMIMOTO also sent me a nice handlebar bag. But what I like to do is I like to strap it around my waist here and use it as a side bag. You see this a lot on other bikers where they have a little side bag. But yeah, it's very stylish the way it looks like this, and I can store my keys, my wallet, and a bunch of other things in this bag. So I'm gonna head over to John's place right now. We're gonna work on Emily's motorcycle in his garage, but I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with this Sissy Bar luggage bag right now. Alright, I'm over here at Ralph's, and I'm gonna go pick up some beer and some chips and stuff, and I'm gonna put it into this bag and bring it over to John's for a little garage party while they're fixing the bike. So let's go grab this stuff. Show you guys what I'm doing here. So I took off the cover, right? You know how it's weatherproof, rainproof, waterproof. So I'm gonna create this little pouch in here. Then I'll take this bag of ice. Oh yeah, look at that. We're gonna take our beer here. Yeah, take a look at that. Last bag. Let's top this off. Look at this, baby. It's perfect. Fits perfectly. And I still got these jar of chips. Heck yeah, brother. We are set. Let's take this over to John's. Okay, I went and got some of the Vietnamese coffee from my favorite shop, Lee's Coffee, right here, Cafe Soda. And so I gotta make this fit somehow. I just got the regular size, so it should be able to fit. Yeah, let's rearrange this a little bit. Okay, brother, look at that. Shoved it in there, scooped out some ice. Gonna put these chips back in here. And voila, look at that. Boom. Nice. Perfect timing, yeah. My neighbor gave me this.
Huh?
Oh man.
You can have it.
Thank you. Travelcade.
And it looks rugged when you pull up. I bet your friends will notice it.
Oh, I know. Yeah. Yeah, he came out. He's like, hey, I have this extra Sportster.
Nice.
Oh, it's authentic leather and everything. I'm like, damn, that's sweet.
I like the hardware.
I know. I love how it has the. But I want to show you guys what I did here. It's funny, like right when because I went to Lee to get the drinks. I stopped by Ralph's. But then look, I put like.
The ice?
Is that funny?
How cool!
Because this thing came with a rain cover. So I'm like, I'm gonna throw it here and there, put some ice. Damn, it looks so nice. Yeah, this thing works perfectly. So I got you some Lee's coffee. Here you go, brother.
Thanks, brother.
Hey, oh, John doesn't drink.
This is the best.
This is the best.
Hey, we
This thing is awesome, man.
black on black.
This is awesome. Little party pack. you got a little Asian chair here.
He's ready.
Oh man.
You gotta have the show.
KEMIMOTO.
Minimum 3 hours.
That's what I'm talking about.
It's like a very, very smooth right now.
Okay. Oh, you want some flowers? Oh, someone died over here. Look.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Wow. Sweet.
Two bikers came here to get a donut.
Heck yeah. Krispy Kreme. Everyone loves Krispy Kreme. Let's try one out. Yum.
I'm gonna eat a half dozen.
Yeah, one bite. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, we're gonna put this in here. Just like that. Oh, boom. KEMIMOTO. We're out of here.
Look at the wind, man. That's crazy. Shit.
Crazy wind
It's
today.
always like that? It's always like that?
You're gonna get it every year, like twice a year. That's how it is.
Man. Twice a year?
Welcome to Rancho Cucamonga. Woo!
Shit. Hold on.
Out of here. Yeah, baby. You're gonna split through? Okay. I was gonna say just take it easy, but splitting through. Woo!
This car is just a really fucking like getting my nerve. Damn.
See you later, John. And there we go, KEMIMOTO. Awesome bag. Go check them out. Description in the link. Link in the description. Oh, peace out. Oh yeah, it's like the same size actually.
Yeah, same size. Just
But
got
this
a
is
ruggeder look.
way better look.
Yeah.
Oh man.
You can have.
Thank you. Travelcade.
I'll
Thank
find
you.
something else that'll fit on you.
Oh man, yeah. Makes my bike look a lot nicer. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna take this off now. I'm just gonna use that.
And it looks rugged when you pull up. I bet your friends will notice it.
Oh, I know. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that'll work. That'd be a good bag.
Oh, put some drinks back here.
It'll work.
Nice. Thank you.
Yeah, buddy.
See you later.